Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. What a day, it's Friday. If you can hear any noise in the background, that is them shooting over in the wood over there, that way. So today I'm in the orchard, my client's orchard, and pruning back apples and pears again. So what I've just done here, I don't know if you can see that. This is a little apple tree that I've just done. It's a nice shape, so like the way that we have nice arching branches. I'm just turning around here. I've got quite a big pear to do, so I'm going to take out quite a bit of the top. I've also got a few dead branches in there that need to come out. We've also got a Victoria plum, which is that one there, which you can't actually do at the moment, because if you do, you'll get something called silver leaf, which is like a disease that stone fruit trees can get this time of year in the winter, so they need to be pruned back in the summer months or midsummer. So apples and pears we'll do now, and then any stone fruit like Victoria plums and things like that will wait till the summer months. So I said I've just done that one. Got to do this pear here, and there's a few little dead limbs, so this whole branch here needs to come off, and we'll probably take it back to there. And there's this whole section is completely dead, so that will leave a bit of a gap, a bit of a hole into that side, but hopefully one of these branches can fill up that space. Got a small pear there, so that's a young one. I may take the top out of that, but I'm not too sure yet. So yeah, it's got a nice day. It's Friday. It rained yesterday. I was hedge cutting and it was a bit of a wet day. So but today's really nice. You can hear them shooting. So I've got to prune this, like I said, prune this pear tree here. Just done that one there, and yeah. So I hope you all have a great day. If you're in the UK, enjoy the sunshine wherever you are in the world, and please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel, helps me to grow. So I really want to try and grow the channel this year and show people all sorts of horticultural techniques: splitting, dividing, seed sowing, cuttings, propagation, plant design, all sorts of stuff. So if there's anything you want me to show, please leave a comment, and then please like and ding that bell, and I shall get back to pruning my fruit trees. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little sort of high video today, and next week I'll be back again pruning more fruit trees. Got quite a bit to do in the next couple of weeks, so anything you want to know, please let me know, and I shall speak to you all soon. Okay, bye for now.